Get the finger. Get it out of my.
Welcome to China, man.
I have a word for Stone Cold Steve Austin. You and me, huh? Smackdown.
We are in
Hi.
these stops. Is that dragon?
Miel.
That's so funny. Ano sa hat?
Naabot kami. Nami karon sa Bells Hangout. Diri sa Kangmating. Init kaayo guys. So mainit. It's so mainit kayo, Jud. Wait. Are you gonna swim na? Lane. Si Erit wala pa na yung sunscreen. Silang tanan wala pa na nag-sunscreen. Video ira sila ba?
Oh. Alright, I think it's time to eat. Oh, look at them having fun. These two whacking each other. The other one thinking of daring the other one. Ah, what a fun Sunday. That's right, Nap. Whack her in the head. You! Destroy her! Alright, let's go eat, Sal. Let's go eat. Let's eat. And after you eat, you will smack each other again. Ah, me hungry.
Doesn't get these slippers, it's gonna get washed away.
Quickly now, child. We don't have all day. Last one into rotten egg.
Yun! Anak, scuba.
Let's eat na.
Wala scuba.
Sige na, open. Kanisa, unya na na. Unya na na. Kanisa.
Hey, gloves for eating here.
Gloves na ta. I brought this para sa kuan. Mga food.
Hmm?
Wala rin yung balon.
Oh my God.
Taxi yun.
Ibili.
Okay, glitter, remix,
Sit down dito tapad mama na ko.
Basta.
Hi!
Ako siya piso sa balay.
Dai.
Natokan ko.
Ang feeling na malantak, ang feeling na paglantaw sa sun. Line fire.
And then, ito na dyan sa pinakaunahan. Ito na siya either i-portion, umutlon ang kuan, or i-diretso sa rack. Depende sa order.
Imagine ko ba, nabasa tayo. Nitlag pa ba yung
One-
Stratos, Stimulus, Nimbus, not serious. Serious. Are you serious right now? Serious. Cereal? Ay. Wala, gitarong ni mo po ng sunscreen.
After lunch, nagdula sila.
Everything here. You got just this and the queen. Mura. You don't have any officials. Itong idagandagan ka with your horse kanina. How was it? I knew I could open everything up na just chasing your horse. your aim is to remove nimo dinha dinidapit lakan si Kega kasi everything here is prepared. This this one, ito, tapon. I can even go hide. So you should have made a tactic like lock this down.
That does it work? Parang the sticking, right? Which is sticking?
This one.
This one?
Oh.
It doesn't work now. You can just...
O na siya, special move na in group. 2 moves na musulod. But I'm not. Okay, it's gonna be a trap most of the time. Touch only the piece you're trying to get, not anything.
Meron ba akong kadulaan?
Ay, di mo. Oh! Your turn in.
Oh my goodness, it's crazy.
Let's make it interesting. We need to put blocks where they should get it ba? Like an abstraction ba? If one of those will be trampled when you're getting something, you put yours where you want it. Pag matumpa na sila, the person who gets it down loses. Ispikas ko
Huh?
Ispikas ko Tuyok din eh. We're making the game interesting din. Imuhang pieces na makuha, you put it around the one. Ay, taglain. Pwede ko Ano? Oh.
No, kanina.
Kanan. One hand and one hand.
Mahulog, tanan. Na, sibog na sila, be. Oh my God.
Oh my goodness, kanina ko Kana ada. Okay, butang sa lugar na asa ka kaya magsamok-samok sa
What? Kayo. Sa yung kanya to.
What if I just pick one off? Dikirit ko di sa taas.
Natiluwad ako, be.
Your turn din.
Yeah.
Kahit kayo.
Ah!
Oh, shit.
Kalal, your turn. Baba niya.
Ay, mayroon pala dyan. You know?
Hindi lang di kalalwana.
Your turn in.
Oh my God. This is gonna fall for sure.
Aba naman! Full story naman? Yep.
No. Oh no! I think I'm gonna lose. pwede ko, no?
Pili pwede sa taas.
Nahulog na na. Kani, ako ni kaon. Tumba na sila.
Ow! That blows! Anjir niya.
Uy! What are you doing?
Trying to get it.
What? How can you get it? Ay, ang kuha ng balance. No. Oh. Pero kay kabi. Hindi ko ng weight diri sa kilid.
No, I was trying to get it, but dili siya pwede.
Hulog be. Minaro na gani ilang style. Nana din ang pagdula di ay?
Gusto na makabuk ikap.
Nas Jalin. Hi! Are you guys having fun? Can you get your slippers from there and place it dito sa atong table dapit?
Okay. Wait, I got one present.
Sige, ikaw sa kanila. Bata mo nila ng basketball.
Miel, dili ka apil nilag dula, Miel. Snack time. Mellows and chips and water.
And when they mix together,
Mix together, sige daw, sabihin
chips
mo.
mellows.
Sige daw.
And when they mix together, it's chips mellows.
Have you tried, Kalal? Chips Mellows?
Smello wello?
Mellow, mellow.
Oh. My head!
Mihail. Lo, ano ka dahil? Uy.
Balak ko na.
As ate, be. As ate.
Hope behind you.
Yeah. He's KO'd.
Why?
He got hit by a shuttlecock. Right in the face.
Loy, kay nakatulog after kuan. Dula sa badminton kaniyang buntag. Sa tawag na ba? Summer...
I don't know what that's called, but I'm sure it's glorious.
Hi guys! Manglakaw pa mi! Our day is not over yet. Mga tumig. Somewhere na ay kalaan bitaw magtempura mi. Diri ra pod sa Maslog.
Sniper din ay kagay makakuan kanang straight na sa tumaan ba. Dili lagi mo kon. Dili siya
You're walking too slow!
ang pasabot kanang managit siya center ba niya pagkira wala ni go.
Okay, tayo na kayo.
Okay.
Every sniper rifle out there.
Hi!
Wow.
Mel, ikaw gulit sa camera, Mel. Oh, pag-vlog na. Yan na. Ikaw gulit. Nuria! Wala ka! Say yourself!
Kamura.
Yourself!
I don't know how to vlog.
I'm gonna tell you something. I'm gonna ask you something. Nung si Jaline ganun ha. Mom, how does it feel like to have 5 children? Kaya naman 5 kabuk bata. 5 kabuk anak. How does it feel? Nalulunod.
Oh, are you asking me?
Yeah.
I guess. Ang natay lima. Kapoy siya. Double tong kayo. Di man mas kapot ko mag-school. Double ato ang laundry. Like, 2.5 times more. Diba? And 5 times atong worry kay may makasakit. Sakit itong ulo kay kailangan sila na individual room. Pag abot sa ilang pagkaulitaw or something. Or pagkadalaga. Double kayo dyan. I think that's good. That's how it feels. Good thing wala tayo lima ka.
Nangulam ra tagtulo.
Hmm.
Nangulam ra mig tulo ka buk bata. Wala mong tulo ka buk bata. Namang tulo ka buk anak. Namang tulo ka buk anak. 1, 2, 3. Among hinulman. We borrowed 3 children.
Wait, chat natin.
Kidnap? Uy.
Taon na pag unang gawas ani katilaw
Lane.
ko lami gid kayo siya sa. So, dagko ko jud ba.
Lane, nga na ikaw nagaluto.
Na kuan ko kay daghan man gud siya. Yeah. Ang taas dili siya kayo mo silong katutong. Oh.
Ikaw na nagluto.
Katong unang na nabutang ganina mo to unang masunog. Ano siya?
Dili ma-equal parts.
Oh, katong kulot sa taas mo na ibutang silong. Kani oh, kulot sa kanan.
Ano yung kakipura sa una?
Ito palit ni sa una kasi bikaon. Dami mga itong napagayon kay mga kulamoy mga pa jud siya design na kuan jud siya kana bang oh up kanang shrimp oh.
Ano to be? Dapat.
I know you know that song. I know you know that song. Smell the bukit eh. Ano mo kusang po?
Sada.
Sarah?
Sada mo. Sada lang.
Am I using it the wrong way? Hey, kusang po, dad.
Oo. Ay, sunog.
Dali naman. Mas delikado tong kuwan. Ang sani? Ng part sa sakyanan.
That
Di
mirror,
mo
parang rainbow na.
launcher.
What is that? Shade?
Eh,
Paman ka asam ka na.
the moon.
Black
Ano
River.
ba ticket?
Look. Whatever that is. A bird. That's a bird.
Can you shoot it while it's flying?
No.
That's hard.
Shoot it, flying.
You can fly.
One,
Da-da-da.
place na taong bullet. From that height, you can't just use the regular tinga. You have to use a bullet.
Ayun.
And that's dangerous. Just eat up. Hindi pa kayo.
For sure, mabusog na to top ng kaon at kwan.
Meron na kasalog miel. Atos bangko miel.
Oh no, I'm not a thing. Oh, you died. Oh. Don't target me, guys. I'm not targeting you. Ah! I'm just gonna spam it. Why are you? I don't know. They see me rolling. They raging. Put rolling. They rolling. I spam it. Oh. Same. Walk. Yippee! Don't kill me. Spare me. Spare me. Spare me. Ooh. Spare me. Please spare me.
They're going home na. They're going home na. Airplane. We're ending the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Bye-bye! Ini mana?